In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a dumbbell press on a Swiss ball. Now there's two variations of this. One is with a neutral grip, which I've covered in a separate exercise tutorial. This one is more of a chest press variety, where you're going to have the elbows out. We're then going to bring the dumbbells together and in, and then we're going to come out and back down. So firstly, this is going to primarily work the chest, whereas that neutral grip primarily works the triceps, so the back of the arm. Now the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to place the dumbbells on your knees. From this position, what I'm going to do is make sure I've got nothing around me that I'm going to come into contact with, or for example, there's no hazards. And then I want to walk the feet away from my body until I've got my head and my upper back in contact with the Swiss ball only. In this position, I'm bringing my hips up nice and high, squeezing the glutes. I can feel my glutes, quadriceps, and also my hamstrings engaged. Now what I'm going to do is bring the elbows out, and I've also rotated my hands there, so I've got my palms facing away from my upper body. From here, I'm going to press the weights up, again focusing here not only on engaging my core and glutes still, making sure my hips are high, but also straightening and bending my arms. When I'm coming down, I'm bringing the weights away from each other, and when I'm bringing the dumbbells up, I'm trying to squeeze my chest during the movement. Notice how my elbow position is slightly lower than my shoulders. So I'm not in a position where my elbows are in line with my shoulders, they're slightly down when I'm doing each individual repetition. Now you can either drop the weights there. What I prefer to do is bring them back into a neutral position and then start to walk my feet up so I come into that safe position where I started before the exercise. Then you can pop the weights down, and of course you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.